Do you ever clean your windows and somehow they look worse than before? Yeah, streaks are the enemy. And today, we're cutting through the hype to find the best glass cleaner for actual, no joke, streak-free windows. Forget gimmicks. We're comparing 7 top products side by side to see which one really leaves your glass crystal clear. All the links are in the description so you can check them out for yourself. Let's count them down. On number 7, Chemical Guy's CLD 3,001,602. This one's got a loyal fan base, especially among car enthusiasts, and for good reason. The Chemical Guy's streak-free glass cleaner handles everything from smudgy mirrors to greasy windshields without any ammonia, making it safe for tinted glass. It uses a 2-towel method, spray, lift, buff, and even has a static reducing formula to help repel dust after cleaning. It performs well, but in side-by-side comparisons, it's slightly more work than cleaners like Hope's or VizABull. Plus, some users mention a light haze left behind on stubborn messes. Still, for an all-around home and car use cleaner with tint-safe peace of mind, it's solid, but not quite top tier. On number 6, Hope's Perfect Glass Cleaner. This one's a favorite among homeowners, and for good reason. It comes with a big refill bottle that cuts long-term costs. Hope's delivers a streak-free shine in fewer swipes thanks to its fast-drying alcohol blend. It's ammonia-free, so it won't mess with your tint, and it works beautifully on everything from shower doors to phone screens. Compared to Chemical Guy's, it's a bit more versatile and quicker to use. Some people don't love the strong scent, and it's pricier per ounce. But if you value ease and clarity without the fuss, Hope's punches above its weight. On number 5, Unger. Professional EasyGlide Concentrate. Okay, pros will love this. Unger's concentrate makes 25 gallons of glass cleaner from one 32 Oz bottle. It's ammonia and alcohol-free, biodegradable, and perfect for squeegee work on everything from car windows to large home panes. In terms of value, this crushes the competition. Way cheaper per use than Invisible Glass or Zep, but it's not convenient. You'll need a bucket and tools. So while it's smoother and safer for coatings than Zep, it's not made for casual spray-and-go jobs. Great for big cleaning days, not so much for a quick mirror touch-up. On number 4, VizABull Foam Glass Cleaner. Here's the beast for grime. VizABull is a heavy-duty foaming spray that clings to vertical glass like windshields and dissolves grease, bugs, smoke, and who knows what else, fast. Unlike Hope's or Invisible Glass, its foam formula means less dripping and no re-wiping. Truckers swear by it, and for stubborn messes, it's hard to beat. It is more expensive, and casual users might find it overkill. But if you're cleaning gunk-caked glass or hate having to make multiple passes, this one might be your new best friend. On number 3, Invisible Glass, 92,164. Classic, reliable, and ammonia-free. Invisible Glass is like the Toyota Camry of window cleaners. It's not flashy, but it just works. It's especially good for tinted windows, smells like nothing, and gives that invisible finish with minimal effort. Compared to Chemical Guy's, it requires less work, and it's easier to handle than a concentrate like Unger. However, it doesn't have the extra power of Zep or VizABull for heavy grime, and some pros say it's a bit fussy on really dirty surfaces. Still, for everyday jobs, it's a no-brainer. On number 2, AutoGeneral 5620. Now this is a sleeper hit. AutoGeneral's 5620 comes in a full gallon jug and is ready to use, no mixing needed. It crushes grease, bugs, and haze with a formula that's ammonia-free and safe for tints. In performance, it's more aggressive than Invisible Glass or Hope's and more affordable than sprays. The downside? No spray bottle included, and the industrial packaging may not suit everyone. But if you go through cleaner fast, fleet owners, detailers, even busy families, this is a workhorse. Just pour it into your favorite sprayer and you're set. On number 1, ZEP Streak-Free Glass Cleaner. ZEP takes the top spot for its sheer cleaning power and price. It's ammonia-based, so it's not for tinted windows, but on regular glass, it destroys grime. Think fingerprints, grease, smoke, pet slobber, you name it. It dries quickly, smells clean, though strong for some, and leaves 0 streaks if applied right. Versus competitors, it outperforms chemical guys and hopes on toughness and costs way less per ounce than most sprays. If you don't have tint and want speed and sparkle without breaking the bank, ZEP wins. If tint safety is a deal breaker, look at AutoGeneral or Hopes instead. So, who wins it all? Wiener! AutoGeneral 5620. It's safe for tinted windows, powerful on grime, gives insane value per gallon, and doesn't require any special mixing. It beats out ZEP in safety, VizABull in price, and Hopes in raw performance. If you don't mind using your own spray bottle, it's the most balanced pick overall. What do you think? Have a favorite that's not on this list? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more real-world product breakdowns, and remember, all the links are in the description. Thanks for watching.